Welcome back to ClearTask. Have you ever received a PowerPoint presentation where the text is just an image, completely uneditable, instead of retyping everything from scratch? Here is a simple built-in Office method to extract that text instantly. First, open your presentation containing the screenshot. Navigate to the File menu and select Save As. Choose PDF as your file format and save the document to your computer. Next, open Microsoft Word. Go to the Open menu, click Browse, and locate that PDF file you just created. When you open it, Word will prompt you with a message stating it will convert the PDF into an editable document. Go ahead and click OK. Word will automatically process the image, running it through its built-in converter to extract the words. You now have a fully editable document. You can change the font, adjust the colors, or simply copy the text right back into your PowerPoint. As a modern update, if you are using Windows 11, you have an even faster option. Just press the Windows key, Shift, and S to open the Snipping Tool. Highlight the text in your slide and click the Text Actions button at the top to copy all text directly to your clipboard. Both methods will save you from tedious retyping. If this tip helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more smart workflows. Thanks for watching.